Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin on 10th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make, like this one right now, and also tell you what's gonna happen next on Bitcoin. As I did in the previous video, I told you that you can go for sell positions on a daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Then I'm gonna show you those things. Then I'm just going to show you the positions that I made yesterday. So let's get started. As you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we do have a triangle pattern like this. I don't care whatever you call it, okay? The names are just names, okay? The thing is important is the pattern and the breakout of that, or that we can make money with them. You can see we have a trend line from upside here and the other one from downside. The one from downside is broken now. We can go for sell position right now, exactly right now, like it is falling. We can enter sell position here, put our stop loss above that candle as I did, and look for risk reward too. And when it reached your target, you can risk free your position and put your stop loss in your entry, okay? In that case, if your stop loss gets activated, you're not gonna lose any money. Yeah, this is all about 15-minute time frame. Let's switch to daily time frame. As I told you in my previous video, which you can check on the upside there, I told you that we have this trend line here. Let me clean them that we can see better. We have this trend line here. When we see this shadow, we extend it, and we have it broken here, okay? We could enter sell position, put our stop loss above that candle, or even safer here, and look for risk reward too on daily time frame, okay? And it started falling something around, let me see, something around 10%, okay? Which is fantastic on Bitcoin. Yeah, this is all you should know about Bitcoin. Thanks for watching this part. Let's switch to the trades that I made yesterday and show you how you could make them and learn from them, use them in the future to make money with them. Before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see on the first position, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we could enter sell position here, put our stop loss above that candle or somewhere safer like here, and look for risk reward too, which it gives us something around 2.3 here with this shadow. It's actually a 5-minute time frame. It is not 1-minute time frame that you cannot decide on shadows. You have 5-minute time left to decide what you can do on that shadow, okay? Close your position or whatever you like to do. I always tell you that when your position touches the target 2 or reward 2, you should risk free your position or actually close your position, okay? On the second position, we have a trend line with 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of actually 4 on here. On the third position, we have a trend line with 4 touches, I believe. On the fifth time it is broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 5 here. On the trade 4, we have this trend line here with let me clean it. We have this trend line here with 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken with this big candle. We could risk on it and go for buy position, put our stop loss below that, and it gives us a reward of 2. On the trade 5, we have this trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above that candle or somewhere safer, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 5.2 here. On the trade 6, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we could enter sell position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, or even here, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 25 here. which is a fantastic reward. On the trade 7 we have a trend line with actually 4 touches, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, 4 touches, 5 touches. Actually on the 6th time it is broken here. Actually when we see this green candle, not red candle, we extend it like this one, okay, and it is broken here. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss, and we're safe, and it gives us a reward of 3.5. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you. And